Good morning once again. We will begin with chapter 2, polynomials. All of you read the heading polynomials. Chapter 2. Chapter 2, polynomial. Okay, before going to our polynomials, let me introduce what are polynomials and what are algebraic expressions. Before going to polynomial, what is an algebraic expressions? In your 8th standard, we have studied a chapter full contain algebraic expressions and identities. So what is the meaning of algebraic expressions? Anybody? Algebraic expression means what? Polynomials are algebraic. Actually, these polynomials, monomials, all are algebraic expressions. So what are algebraic expression? All of you think about that. Algebraic expression. What are algebraic expression? Fisan, any idea? Expressions containing what?
Variables,
Very good. Variables are the only variables.
numbers, and
Variables
coefficients.
coefficients.
very good. Very good, Srihari. Coefficients or constants. Okay. Expressions containing variables and constants are known as algebraic expressions. Okay. For example, anybody give example? Example for algebraic expression.
2x plus y.
And 2x plus 3.
2x plus 3, yes. 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. And Fisan told us, 2x plus y square is an algebraic expression. Okay. And here 2x and 3 are what? 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. I agree. On that, what is this 2x and 3? What are they?
Variables.
Oh, what is variable there?
Polynomial.
Polynomials.
Variable in 2x plus 3. Okay, we will consider 2x plus 3 alone. In this algebraic expression, 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. I agree. On that, what are variable? What are constant? What are coefficient? What are variable there? Which is a variable?
X.
Yes, X is the. Who's making this sound? Huh? All of you mute your audio if you are not answering or make others silent. Okay, X is variable. X is variable. So what about that 2?
Coefficient.
Coefficient, yes. This is 2 is coefficient of what? 2 is
X.
coefficient of X.
X.
2 is called coefficient of X. So what is this 3?
Constant.
3 is
Constant.
constant. 3 is called constant. Constant. So this is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression. On this algebraic expression, 2x and 3 has some name. What was that? What are these 2x and 3? 2x is what?
Terms.
Terms. Very good. 2x and 3 are called terms. 2x, comma 3 are terms. 2x and 3 are terms, and 2 is the coefficient of x, 3 is constant, and x is variable.
Variable.
X is variable. And for this algebraic expression, what is its power? Power means the power of the variable. Power of an algebraic expression means it is the power of the variable. X means it is actually x raised to 1. There is no need to write that 1 raised to 1. Usually we will write x itself. No need to write. But actually it is x raised to 1. If it is x square, this exponent x is known as the power of this algebraic expression. Okay, clear what is algebraic expression? So I will explain one thing. I will give one more example. Give me one more example. Not this 2x plus 3 with only one variable. Power 3. Give an algebraic expression whose power is 3. Anybody?
4y cube plus 5.
Yes, 4y cube plus 5. It is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. And 4y cube comma 5 are called what? Are 4y cube comma y are Gauri. What are they? Gauri. 4y cube terms are terms. And y is the Agna. What is that y called? Y is what is y? Variable. Y is variable. Y is the variable. Y is the variable. And 5 is what? 5 is constant. 5 is constant. And power of the variable is what? Power of a variable is? What is the power of variable here?
And 3.
And 3.
3.
Yes. Power of the variable is? Power of the variable is 3. And 4 is what? 4 is the
Coefficient.
coefficient of what?
Y.
Coefficient
Y.
of
Y.
coefficient of y cube. 4 is
Ma'am,
the
can you write?
yes,
Can we
why
write?
not? Yes, right. So for this algebraic expression 4y cube plus 5, we can write all these things about that. Okay.
And this is notes now, ma'am.
Hmm?
This is notes now.
Yes, notes. Write in your notes. Give heading. Then this is actually the revision of your 8th standard. I'm just introducing what is a polynomial. Okay. So it is an algebraic expression. Now we are moving to algebraic expressions are categorized into different types. That is linear expression, linear polynomial, binomial polynomial, trinomial, then polynomials. Okay. Linear equations. All of you wrote this?
Ma'am, algebraic.
Algebraic expression. EXPRESSION.
Expression.
Expression. Then you write an example. Actually, it is an example. Example 1, 4y cube plus 5. In that, 4y cube and 5 are terms. Y is a variable. 5 is constant. Power of the variable is 3. 4 is the coefficient of y cube. 4 is the coefficient of y cube. So if you are getting an expression, you can write all these about the given expression. Okay. Okay. Now, if it is a polynomial, if an algebraic expression is called as a polynomial, we will denote it as P of x. Polynomials are polynomials are denoted by P of x. Polynomials are denoted by P of x. That is, if P of x equal to 4x cube plus 5. If we wrote in this way, it is called a polynomial. An algebraic expression, if you wrote in this way, P of x equal to, because we are denoting it is a polynomial. P of x equal to 4x cube plus 5. So here this P of x is a polynomial. P of x is a polynomial. Next point, we will write about the degree. The degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable. We will denote next point. The degree of a polynomial, is the highest power of degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. Underlying this sentence, degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable. So you write write the degree of the given polynomial. Write the degree. Write the degree. First one, P of x equal to write the degree of these polynomials. Okay, Gautam, what is the degree of the first polynomial? Degree of the first polynomial is what, Gautam? Gautam, degree of the first.
Third, ma'am, can you show the third degree?
Third I will show, but before that, Gautam, what is the degree of the first polynomial? Give the answer. Gautam, can you hear me? Gautam, there is a...
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Sure, I will show. Okay. Now, Dominic, Gautam is not responding. I think he has some problem with his mic. Okay. Dominic, what is the degree of the first polynomial, Dominic?
2.
Very good. Chatra, second one. Chatra.
3.
Okay. Sania, third one. Degrees? 5. Okay. So I think you understood what is degree, isn't it? Shall we move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Angelo, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Angelo, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. The degree of the first polynomial is 2, second polynomial is 3, and third polynomial is 5. The highest degree. In this third, 2 degrees are there. Okay, sorry, this both you write x, not y. Both write x. Third question, 2x raised to 5 plus 2x cube, not y
I cannot
cube.
hear anything.
Who's this? Who
എനിക്ക്
can't hear?
പറ്റുന്നില്ല.
Who
ടീച്ചറോട്
can't-
അധികം ചോദിക്കട്ടെ?
Who can't hear? Who's this making noise? But we can hear you. Somebody is making noise.
അവിടെ സ്പീക്കർ വർക്ക് ആവുന്നില്ല മാറ്റി.
Emrin, we can hear you. Okay. Now, next one is a linear polynomial. If a polynomial has degree, linear polynomial has degree
1.
1. If a polynomial has degree 1, it is called linear polynomial. So write next sentence. A polynomial of degree 1, a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Now all of you write 2 examples for that. Write 2 examples for a linear polynomial. Write 2 examples. Navneet, what was your example? First example, read.
Ma'am, 3x plus y.
3x plus 5, correct. Eva, what is your example?
2y plus 3.
Y plus 3. Okay, Swati, what's your example? Swati. Swati. Swati, what's your example?
X plus 2.
X plus 2. Okay, so you got idea what is the linear polynomial. Next one, a polynomial of degree 2 is called, a polynomial of degree 2 is called what?
Binomial.
A polynomial of degree
Quadratic.
2 is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Write examples. Polynomial means it must contain more than 1 or 2 terms, more than 1 terms. This 2x we can call a polynomial. 2 is a polynomial, okay? Or 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. A polynomial it is an algebraic expression which contain more than 1 or more terms. That is the definition of polynomial. 1 or more terms. If it is 1 term, monomial. That you have studied in your 7th, monomial. If it is 2 term,
Yes, ma'am.
binomial. Okay, so I'm not going to that part. Did you write the examples?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Aaron.
Yes, ma'am.
First example, what Aaron?
2x square minus 3.
Very good. Isha.
5x square plus 2y square.
Okay, you just use only one variable. Use one variable. We are studying only one variable polynomials. Okay. Okay, Isha, write only one variable. We will study later about polynomials with the 2 variables. Okay.
Okay.
So Isha, write only one. Okay. Nihal, yours. Nihal, your example is. Nihal is not responding. So next one is cubic polynomial. So what will be the definition of a cubic polynomial, Lena? What will be cubic polynomials definition? How can we write?
A polynomial of degree
Polynomial.
which has 3.
It's
Yes.
called a cubic polynomial. Okay, so all of you write a I'm not writing that. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Rohan, switch on your video. A polynomial of degree 3. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Write examples also. Okay, Said, what is your example? Said. Said, what's your example, Said? Elsa. What's your example, Elsa? Elna. Read the example. Elna.
Ma'am, x cube plus 3.
Who's this? Who read this? Said?
Ma'am, Fizan.
Okay, Fisan. Fisan, correct. Okay. Elena, read your example. Elena Rose. Read your example.
Y cube plus 5.
YQ plus 5. Rachel George, your example.
Ma'am, 3 plus y cube.
3 plus YQ. Now, let me ask a question. Children, 1 by, listen, 1 divided by x minus 1. Is this a polynomial?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other answer? All of you agree with that? 1 by x minus 1.
Ma'am, it has variable. Yes.
Variable is there, constant is there. All of you agree with that? 1 by x minus 1. All of you. Anuj, 1 by x minus 1. Melita, 1 by x minus 1 is a polynomial or not? Melita?
It's a polynomial.
No, dear. No, dear. 1 by x minus 1. These are not polynomial. If algebraic expressions are expressed in the form of fractions, we can't say it is a polynomial. When we are writing its power, what will come? It will come x minus 1 whole raised to negative power will come. If negative power will come or on the power fractions will come, we can't say it is a polynomial. For polynomials, the powers must be integers. Okay, so 1 by x minus 1 is not a polynomial. One more example, root 2 plus root x plus 3. Root x plus 3 also is not a polynomial because root x means what is its power? It is x raised to 1 by 2. Root x means its power is x raised to 1 by 2. So this also is not a polynomial. One more example. 1 by x cube plus 2x plus 3. All these are not polynomials. For polynomials, the power of the variables must be integers. So these are not polynomials. we can put this in a cloud so that while passing through the chapters, you may notice these are not polynomials. These are not polynomials. Okay. Now, some other example. What about this one? Root 2x plus 5. What about this? Is this a polynomial? Is this a polynomial? Or x by 21 plus 7. What
Yes.
about these? Are they polynomial? Anandu Krishna. Yes.
No. It's
No?
fraction.
Ma'am, they
Ma'am, they are fraction.
Fractions where is the fraction here?
Ma'am,
Is
X
the
they
power?
X by 20.
They are. No, Fisan, they are polynomials because here root 2 comes on the coefficient, not a power of the variable. Here the power of the variable is 1.
That's fine.
And here the power of the variable is 1. 1 by 21 is what? This is actually 1 by 21x. 1 by 21 into x is x by 21. Okay, so here this is 1 by 21 is the coefficient. Power of x is 1. So these are polynomials. Is it clear? Shania, Said, Vishnu, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these also you can put in a circle, then write they are polynomials. If root comes on variables, we can say they are not polynomials, but root can come on the constants. Is it clear, all of you? Very important point it is. Jerlin, Lena, Anjali, Priya, Sean, is it clear that 2 points? Polynomials
Yes,
and
ma'am.
not polynomials. The power, root or rationals does not come on the power of the variables. Okay, but they can come on constants or coefficients. Root 2 x square plus 3. Root 2 comes where root is a constant or coefficient. It's not a problem. Okay. Now we will move to the next one. Now, next one, consider a polynomial.
1 minute.
Okay. You want to see that?
Up.
Huh?
That's not polynomial.
I will show.
Can you please explain it once more?
Need to explain again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure. 1 second. Okay, children, listen. All of you listen. First of all, we will consider the expressions 1 by x minus 1. In this 1 by x minus 1, the power, we can express this 1 by x minus 1, how? X minus 1 raised to minus 1, that exponential rule. Exponential rule, x raised to minus n equal to x raised to n. When power comes to the numerator, the sign will change. Or 1 by 2 will comes to the numerator, it will be 2 raised to minus 1. Do you remember exponential laws of exponents? It's standard. Okay, using this 1 by x minus 1, we can write x minus 1 raised to minus 1. So power is minus. For a polynomial, for an algebraic expression to be a polynomial, the powers must be integers. So negative 1 is a negative, positive, the powers must be positive integers. Here power is negative 1. So this is not a polynomial. And next one is root x plus 3. Root x means it is x raised to 1 by 2 plus 3. It is not an integer. The power is half. It is not an integer. Okay, children, sorry for the interruption. I will explain once again. So, okay, so this x raised to x minus 1, the whole raised to minus 1. The negative integer comes on the power, so it cannot be a polynomial. Next one is root x plus 3. Root x plus 3. Here also x raised to 1 by 2 plus 3. Root x means it is x raised to 1 by 2. So on the power, it is a fraction, not an integer, positive integer. If it is only a positive integer, we can say that it is a polynomial. So this also is not a polynomial. And here the 1 by x cube plus 2x plus 3 is also not a polynomial. Now comes to these two examples like root 2x plus 5. Here, the power of the variable is 1. It is a positive integer. But root 2, this is a constant. Constant can be negative, positive, rational, or irrational. Okay. But power is 1. So this is a polynomial. Another one, 1 by 21x or x by 21 plus 7. X by 21, this is actually 1 by 21x. Coefficient is 1 by 21. 1 by 21x plus 7. So this is the coefficient. It can be a rational number. Power is 1. Clear? So it is also a polynomial. Is it clear? Who asked the doubt?
And how that 7 came? 7 how came?
Which is a
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
children. Okay, next topic we will start on next day because only 1 more minute. So once again, I will wind up what we discussed today. We discussed about what are algebraic expressions, that the expressions which contains constants, variables, and this terms when we combined using addition or subtraction, it becomes an algebraic expression because we have 1 second, let me take the first page. Algebraic expression. See here, 2x plus 3, 4yq plus 5, all these are algebraic expression. Here, the terms 4y³ and 5 are terms. These two terms we combined using a addition sign. So terms are joining or combining using addition, subtraction, or multiplication, division. We will get algebraic expression. And if an algebraic expression is expressed in terms of p of x equal to 4x³ plus 5, it become a polynomial. And for a polynomial, the power of the variable must be positive numbers, 0, natural numbers. It cannot be negative or rationals. We can write x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is what? Any number raised to 0 is what? Any quantity raised to 0 is what? What is equal to x raised to 0 equal to? Raya, x raised to 0 equal to what? Any quantity raised to 0, exponents. Any quantity raised to 0, Ashik?
Ma'am,
Minha?
0 till
No.
Ma'am, 1.
No. 1. Any quantity raised to 0 is 1. So this is a polynomial. If 0 is on the power, we can say it is a polynomial. It is a constant polynomial. Okay. So the power can be natural number, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. It cannot be negative or rationals. Fraction, not rational, fractions. It cannot be fraction. Okay, for a polynomials, the degree must be natural numbers. Okay, so that root x plus 3 is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Or 1 by x minus 2 is not a polynomial. Okay, after that, we discussed what? We discussed about zeros. Zeros when we give values to the variable. When we give some values to the variable, if we got 0 as the value of the polynomial, here we give which is -1. P of -1 is 0. P of -1 is 0. P of 4 is 0. If we give x equal to -1, x equal to 4, we got the value of the polynomial as 0. Such values are called 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, so next topic we will discuss. Is it clear, all of you, today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you, all of you. Bye. We will meet on next day.